Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to sign into your Birdy AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Birdy account, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And in the search bar, click over there and type in the address birdy.sl and hit on enter. And then you'll be directed to the home page of the Birdy. Now you can see over here, this is the home page of the Birdy. Now in order to log in, uh, you can see the start A/B testing your Twitter profile button available over here. Simply click on that button first, and then you'll be directed to the sign in page of the Birdy AI with Twitter. Guys, you can see this is a Twitter login page, but it's connected to the Birdy AI, and it's just the API or an integration of the Twitter. So with that being said, guys, in order to log into your Birdy AI account, you'll be required to enter your Twitter username or your Twitter email address with which you had created an account on the Twitter, and of that, enter your password over here, guys. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can already set it or retrieve it from over here where it says the forgot password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to set your Twitter or your Birdy AI account's password. And with that being said, guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on sign in, and then you'll be logged into your Birdy AI account online on your computer. And guys, this is how you log into your Birdy AI account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.